Today's story name is The Elephant Who Was Afraid of Water. In the golden sun-drenched savannah, little Ellie watched the river from the safety of the dusty bank. While all the other elephants trumpeted and sprayed, Ellie stayed far away from the scary swirling bubbles. Come on, Ellie, don't be a dry skin, Jabberwocky teased, sending a big spray of water toward her. Ellie sighed and sat beneath a giant baobab tree, wishing she was brave enough to join the fun. Suddenly, a tiny bird named Zola landed on Ellie's trunk, her feathers shimmering like a rainbow in the light. You don't have to jump all at once. Just try one tiny toe at a time. With a mighty trumpet, Ellie took a giant leap and made the biggest, happiest splash of all.
That was a wonderful story. I loved reading with you today. Remember, every day is a new chance to discover more words and stories.
Thank you, friends. Keep reading and smiling. Bye. See you next time. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye.
Bye bye.